Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In my previous video, I talked about our interior part of our stomach anatomy. If you have seen the video, then click on the button and watch the video now. Today, I will talk about our next part of our stomach, which is known as duodenum. As you can see in this photo, this duodenum starts from our end point of our stomach, which is known as pylorus. From the pylorus, it begins, and this duodenum ends at the beginning point of our jejunum. मेरा कहने का मतलब यह है कि ये जो सी जैसे दिखने वाला जो अंग्रेजी लेटर्स होते हैं जैसे ए बी सी डी, तो वो सी जैसे दिखने वाला जो ऑर्गन है जिसको हम कहते हैं ड्यूडिनम, ये शुरू होता है हमारे स्टमक का लास्ट पार्ट जिसको हम कहते हैं पाइलोरस. तो पाइलोरस से इसका शुरुआत होता है और खत्म होता है हमारे इंटेस्टाइन का जो सबसे पहला पार्ट है जिसको हम कहते हैं जेजुनम. जेजुनम का सबसे ऊपर वाला पार्ट में. ठीक है, तो ये हमारे स्टमक का कॉन्टिन्यूशन पार्ट है. दिस ड्यूडिनम इज अ कॉन्टिन्यूशन पार्ट ऑफ आवर स्टमक. अब ये ड्यूडिनम क्या होता है, 25 सेंटीमीटर लंबा होता है. ठीक है, मतलब 12 इंच. व्हाट आई मीन इज द लेंथ ऑफ द ड्यूडिनम इज 12 इंच और 25 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, वी डिवाइड आवर ड्यूडिनम इनटू 4 पार्ट. फर्स्ट पार्ट इज नोन एज अपर ट्रांसवर्स पार्ट एंड द साइज ऑफ द अपर पार्ट is only 2 inch. Then the second part or the vertical part length is 3 inch. Then the inferior transverse part or the third part of duodenum is 4 inch. And the last part or the fourth part, the length is only 1 inch. Okay, तो 2, 3, 4 लास्ट में 1 इसका साइज. ठीक है, दिस duodenum is the most retroperitoneal structure in our abdomen. It presents deep inside of our abdomen anteriorly to the सेकेंड एंड थर्ड लंबर वर्टिब्रा. मतलब अंदर में जो 2 नंबर और 3 नंबर लंबर वर्टिब्रा है इसके सामने में रहते हैं. ठीक है, अब हम बात करेंगे ये ड्यूडिनम के आगे पीछे ऊपर नीचे क्या क्या चीज रहते हैं. ठीक है, द स्ट्रक्चर्स रिलेटेड विद दिस ड्यूडिनम in this photo. Now the structures related with the first part of duodenum: anteriorly quadrate lobe of liver and gallbladder, posteriorly gastroduodenal artery, bile duct and portal vein, superiorly epiploic vein and inferiorly head and neck of the pancreas. Don't worry, I will talk about all these structures in details. Now the second part: anteriorly right lobe of liver, transverse colon and small intestines. Okay, mainly the jejunal part. Posteriorly you will find the anterior surface of right kidney, right renal artery, right renal vein. Then you will find the right sided edge of the inferior vena cava, right sided psoas major muscle. Okay, in medially you will find the head of the pancreas and the bile duct, and laterally you will find the right colic flexure. In the third part you will find anteriorly superior mesenteric vessels, then posteriorly right ureter and the right psoas major muscle, right testicular artery and right testicular vein in male, and right ovarian artery and right ovarian vein in female. Okay, then inferior vena cava, then abdominal aorta with origin of few mesenteric artery. Okay, superiorly you will find head of the pancreas with uncinate process, and inferiorly you will find the coils of jejunum. Okay, and the last part or the fourth part you will find anteriorly transverse colon, then lesser sac of omentum. I will talk about these things, and the lower part of the stomach. Okay, and posteriorly you will find the left sympathetic chain, left renal artery, left renal vein, left gonadal artery, left gonadal vein, then inferior mesenteric vein. Okay, and laterally you will find the left kidney, left ureter, and superiorly you will find body of pancreas. That's it. Now the blood supply of duodenum. In blood supply always you will find the two components. One is arterial supply and venous drainage. In arterial supply you will find, as you can see in this photo, right gastric artery, then supraduodenal artery of Wilkes, then few retroperitoneal branches coming from the gastroduodenal artery, and few branches are coming from right gastroepiploic artery. Finish. And in the venous drainage is done by splenic veins, superior mesenteric veins and portal veins. Okay, now in nerve supply there is always two components. One is sympathetic and parasympathetic. The sympathetic part is supplied by the branches coming from the 9th and 10th thoracic spinal segment. Okay, and the parasympathetic part is supplied by the vagus nerve. That's it. Now the microanatomy, as you can see in this photo, this duodenum has 4 layers: mucosa, submucosa, muscularis layer and serosa layer. Okay, in mucosa layer you will find lots and lots of villi and these villi, I mean these finger like projections, I will talk about these things in later. These finger like projections will consist of lots and lots of microvilli. Okay, what is villi, how this forms, what are the functions of this villi, I will talk about these things later in my next videos. And there is mucosa also consists of crypts of liver coon. Now in the submucosal layer you will find Brunner's gland. Now this Brunner's gland secretes mucosa. It's just like our goblet cells. In the muscular layer you will find outer longitudinal and inner circular. Okay, and then the last layer, which is serosa layer, is made of our connective tissues. Okay, fibrous connective tissue. So I hope you understand or learned something about our anatomy of duodenum. If you like this video, then like it, share it, subscribe my channel. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.